Want to make your training score results more visual and fun in Excel? Let me show you how to insert a happy or sad face emoji based on total scores. Super useful for sports training, assessments, or any pass-fail evaluation. So, here's what I've got. Scores from 3 different training exercises, a column calculating each participant's total score, and a qualification threshold set in cell J1. Now, in the status column, I want to add a smiley if they meet the score, or a sad face if they don't. Let's go to cell G2 and enter the if logic formula. We will the smiley face from J2 and J3. This checks if their total is greater than or equal to the required minimum in J1, and gives a happy face if they passed, or a sad face if not. Press enter, and there it is. I'll just drag it down and instantly see who qualified. Let's format the faces a bit. Super helpful for fitness tests, student evaluations, or even just fun dashboards. This is tip 9 in our 500 plus Excel tips playlist on the channel. Want more fun and functional tricks like this? Hit subscribe and keep learning Excel the easy way. Thanks for watching.